Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Home qualifies for USDA. This is a great southern home with many upgraded options as standard features in the home, such as Honeywell's home automation system, ports for overhead speakers in the kitchen, and many green smart features to make the home more energy efficient. The sellers have also installed solar panel, which makes the utility bills next to nothing. Home features an open floor plan downstairs with eat-in kitchen, and island where bar stools can be added, along with a half bath. The second floor features 4 bedrooms. The master has a garden tub, and separate shower with walk-in closets. The backyard has a deck which has amazing view of the area along with privacy fence all around. Home has been freshly painted through. Plenty of room for family and friends. A must-see, won't last long.